Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to make someone admin in Viber. Whether you are managing a large group or just want to share responsibilities, making someone an admin in your Viber group is quick and simple. First, launch the Viber app on your mobile device and in the main chat screen, go ahead and open up the group where you want to assign admin rights. After you are done opening up the chat, go to the top of the screen and tap on the group's name. Now, scroll down and under Participants, select the contact you want to add as an admin. In the pop-up, click on Add as Admin, and then you have successfully added someone as an admin in your Viber group. The selected member will now have admin privileges instantly. They can now help manage members, edit group info, and keep the conversation flowing smoothly. That is how you can easily add an admin in Viber group. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.